Hello students, today we are going to start about chapter number 7, cubes and cube roots. So first of all, what do you mean by cube? Cube, generally if we know about the cuboid and cube, then cuboid is a 6 faces closed figure in which all the faces are rectangular, then it is called as a cuboid. And in cuboid we have length, breadth and height. Any one side is not equal to another side, so तीनों भी unequal हो सकती हैं. All the three are not equal, but measure maybe two equal हो सकती हैं. But if all the sides are equal, then it is called as a cube. Three sides, length, breadth and height. We will consider only three measurements as length, breadth and height. If all the three are equal, then it is called as a cube. But in number system, we means about the cube means power 3. The power 3 of any number is called the cube of that number. And it means multiplication of that number with itself. If there is a 1 cube, that means 1 is multiplied by 1 3 times, so we will get the 1. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, that means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, it's the cube of 2. The number is 2 and its cube is 8. Number is 3, and 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, that means 27. So the number is 3 and its cube is 27. 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, that means 64. The number is 4 and its cube is 64. 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6, that is 216. 7 cube, 7 into 7 into 7, it means 7 into 7, 49, 49, 7, the 343. 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8, that means 512. 8 into 8, 64, 64, 8, the 512. 9 cube, 729, 9 into 9 into 9, and 10 cube is 1000. Now these are the some cubes of primary numbers like 1 to 10. So in this, 1 is a number, its cube is 1. 2 is a number, its cube is 8. 3 is the number, its cube is 27. 4 is a number, its cube is 64. 5 is a number, its cube is 125. 6 is a number, 216 its cube. 7 is a number, 343 its cube. And 8 cube means the number is 8 and its cube is 512. So cube means product of that number with itself 3 times is called the cube of any number. If we want to find whether any number is perfect cube or not, we will go for prime factorization method. If they are the pair of three numbers completed, then it is a perfect cube, otherwise it's not a perfect cube. Like if we want to check whether the 729 is a perfect cube or not, to check it, we will go for prime factorization. If we prime factorize 729 divided by 3, it will be 3 to the 6, 1, 3 4 the 12, 3 3 the 9, again divided by 3, 81, divided by 3, 27, divided by 3, 9, divided by 3, 3, divided by 3, 1. If we make the pairs of 3 digits, triplet, we can say triplet of this number. So there are complete triplet are there, 3 3 के दो हमारे पास pairs बन रहे हैं, that means it's a perfect cube. And to find the perfect cube, it's easy method to go through the prime factorization and make the pairs of 3 digits. If the 3 digits pairs completed, then it is a perfect cube, otherwise it's not a perfect cube. Even one more interesting thing is there. If we go for the cube of even number, we will get even number. If we go for 4 cube, it's 64, and the cube of odd number is always odd number. That means if we go for cubic of any odd number, we will get the result as a odd number, and if we have even number, then that cube is also even number. So let's start exercise 7.1. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? So we want to find which are not a perfect cube. To find it, go for prime factorization. First part is 216. So the prime factorization of 216, we will divide by 2, it's 108, divide by 2, 54, divide by 2, 27, divide by 3, 9, divide by 3, 3, divide by 3, 1. So the factors are 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. If we make the pair of 3 numbers, 3 digits, then these are the perfect 2 pairs are there, 2 and 3. That means it's a perfect cube. अगर हमारे पास 3 के पेयर बन जाते हैं, then only it's a perfect cube. अगर नहीं बनता है, then it's not a perfect cube. So इसमें बन रहे हैं हमारे पास 2 का एक पेयर बन रहा है, 3 नंबर्स का, 3 2s का, और 3 3s का भी पेयर बन रहा है. That means it's a perfect cube. Similarly 4 6 6 5 6, ये I think question number 5 है in this exercise, first part. So go for the prime factorization of this also. Divide by 2, again 2, divide by 2, and these are the prime factorization of 46,656. So 46,656, if we convert in prime factorization, these are the prime factorization. 6 2s are there and 6 3s are there. If we make the pairs of 3 digits, then it is a perfect cube. So it is a perfect cube because all the numbers are in pair of 3 digits. So it's a perfect cube. So similarly, you just find second, third and fourth part. Go for the prime factorization. If the prime factorization makes all the pairs 3 digits, then it's a perfect cube, otherwise it's not a perfect cube if one of any number is left. Second question. Question number 2 is, find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. To obtain a perfect cube, firstly, like 243, we will go for the prime factorization. So prime factorize it. Prime factorization is 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. So these 5 times 3 are there. If we make the pair of 3 digits, then one pair is completed, but this is not completed. To complete it, अगर हमारे पास ये perfect cube है, तो ये 3 का digits बनना चाहिए, pair बनना चाहिए. अगर 3 का pair नहीं बन रहा, that means it's not a perfect cube. And to convert in a perfect cube, हमें 1 और 3 चाहिए इसमें. So if we multiply this number by 3, then only it will be a perfect cube. So we multiply by 3 to make a perfect cube. Similarly, 675. Go for the prime factorization. Divided by 3, 225, 3, 75, 3, 25, 5, 5, 5, 1. So 675 have the factors 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5. If we make the 3 digits pair, then these 3 is completed, but 5 is only 2 digits. So we didn't get the third number, 5. To make it a perfect cube, there must be 1 5. So if we multiply it by 5, it will be a perfect cube. Similarly, third question, they told that by which number we have to divide to make it a perfect cube. So same method होगा, जैसे हमारे पास इसमें प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कर रहे हैं, उसी तरह से प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन उसमें भी करना पड़ेगा. पेयर्स बनाने पड़ेंगे. जो एक पेयर जिसके कारण वो परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं बन रहा है, जिसमें 3 का पेयर नहीं बन रहा है, उससे डिवाइड करेंगे, देन इट कन्वर्ट्स इन ए परफेक्ट क्यूब. सो विल गो फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 नाउ. Similarly, we have question number 3, and in this first part is 81. So which number we have to divide to convert it in a perfect cube? So in this part, find the prime factorization of 81. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. It's 3 4 times. This makes a pair, but this 3 is alone. It doesn't in any pair. So if we divide 81 by 3, it converts in perfect cube. Similarly, 192, the prime factorizations are this. If we in this part, one pair of 2, second pair of 2, but 3 is alone. So if we divide 192 by 3, it converts in a perfect cube. So this way we can find the number by which we have to divide to convert it in a perfect cube. And similarly, you have to complete further other different parts of this question number 3. We'll go for question number 4. Question number 4 is like Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. How many such cuboids will be needed to form a cube? So अब इसमें हमारे पास परीक्षित जो है वो एक क्यूब बनाना चाह रहा है. उसके पास प्लास्टिक शीट्स हैं जिसमें से 5 सेंटीमीटर, 2 सेंटीमीटर एंड 5 सेंटीमीटर्स के हमारे पास लेंथ्स हैं. अब वो क्यूब से किस तरह से एक न्यू क्यूब कन्वर्ट कर सकता है? हाउ मेनी सच क्यूबॉइड्स आर नीडेड हुज लेंथ साइड्स आर 5, 2 एंड 5. हमें ये रिक्वायरमेंट चाहिए 5 सेंटीमीटर, 2 सेंटीमीटर एंड 5 सेंटीमीटर के कितने क्यूबॉइड्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है टू मेक ए परफेक्ट क्यूब. और क्यूब बनाने के लिए मैंने पहले बताया कि इसके अंदर ऑल द साइड्स इक्वल होने चाहिए. एंड टू मेक ए ऑल द साइड्स इक्वल, हमारे पास देखिए इसका अगर हम पेयरिंग करें तो 5 into 5 एक पेयर और चाहिए क्यूब बनाने के लिए. सो वी डिड 1 5 into 2, वी नीड 2 2s मोर टू मेक ए परफेक्ट क्यूब. सो 2 ये 2s हमारे पास इंक्लूड कर दिए. नाउ अगर हम इसमें चेक करें तो हमें क्या क्या इंक्लूड किया है इसमें. एक तो 5 इंक्लूड किया है और एक 2 into 2 4 इंक्लूड किया है. दैट मीन्स 20. सो 20 cuboids are needed to make a perfect cube. सो इसके अंदर हमारे पास देखो हमें जो रिक्वायरमेंट, हमें जो गिवन था, हमें गिवन क्या था कि परीक्षित मेक्स ए क्यूबॉइड ऑफ प्लास्टिसिन ऑफ साइड. ये हमारे पास क्यूबॉइड हैं. प्लास्टिसिन हमारे पास दिया हुआ है. उसमें एक 5 सेंटीमीटर, एक 2 सेंटीमीटर और एक 5 सेंटीमीटर. कितने प्लास्टिसिन्स की ज़रूरत होगी वो कंफर्म करना था हमें. रिक्वायरमेंट कितनी है कंफर्म करने के लिए या क्यूबॉइड बनाने के लिए हमें पेयरिंग बनने चाहिए, 3 के पेयर बनने चाहिए. लेकिन यहाँ तो 2 ही पेयर बन रहे थे. एक सिंगल 5 की ज़रूरत थी, इसमें सिंगल बन रहा था. सो 2 2s की और ज़रूरत थी. नाउ द हाउ मेनी वी एडेड, 5 ऐड किया था हमने. 2 into 2 4 ऐड किया था. 5 for the 20 वी मल्टीप्लाइड. सो 20 क्यूबॉइड्स आर नीडेड और प्लास्टिसिन्स आर नीडेड टू मेक ए क्यूब. प्लास्टिसिन, इसमें प्लास्टिसिन एक कोई भी हमारे पास पार्ट दिया हुआ है. सो बाय दिस वे वी कंप्लीट आवर एक्सरसाइज 7.1. Try to complete it. If you have any doubt, then you can write in comment box or in suggestion class also. But show your notebook up to 7.1 in next turn whenever you come. Thank you.